This time we are going to be dividing whole numbers or two-digit numbers or one-digit number by 1. Some students see these symbols in their already reading test a few days ago or a few hours ago, depending on the time they watch this video. And they were kind of confused about this. I want to clarify them that this symbol you see here, like a L to inverted, so that also means division. The symbol that they are very used to, or that they are used to, is this one I have here on the right side of my screen. So 40 divided by 5 is the same as they said this. 40 divided by 5. Both of them are the same. They mean the same. When you find the quotient or the answer to this division, for either of them is going to be the same. Okay, I'm sharing this video with you just to prepare you for the upcoming test on iReady next month. So now the question is, how can you divide 40 by 5? There are many ways how you can do that. I'm going to teach you one way of many that you can do this. Okay, we are going to be using this small number or the divisor to find how many times this number I just circled fits into 40. How am I going to do that? We are going to be using skip counting. We are going to skip count until we get 40. Once we get to 40, we are going to count how many times we skip counted till we get to 40. Let's start now. Say 5, 10, 15, 20. Skip counting means I'll be counting 5 or adding 5 to every number I find. 15, I add 5 to it, that means that is 20. 20 plus 5 more, that will be 25. 25 plus 5 more, that is 30. 30 plus 5 more is 35. 35 plus 5 more is 40. It looks like we found our 40 here. I'm going to use a different color just to highlight or to count how many times we have skip counted by 5 to get to 40. We get one time. I'm going to cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I skip counted by 5 8 times to get to 40. So 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Is this true? Yes, it is. Because if you multiply 5 times 8, guess what is the answer? It's equal to 40. Okay? We can do it with other exercise. Let's get 24. We're gonna use that weird division symbol or sign. We're gonna divide that by 8. Again, we are going to skip count by 8 to get to 24. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is what? Is 24. Now what I have to do, I have to count how many times I skip counting by this number to get to 24. We have 2, 3. So then 24 divided by 8 is 24. And 3 times 8, or 8 times 3, is equal to 24. This is an easy way to divide two-digit number or one-digit number by one digit number. So 24, which is two-digit number, multiplied by 8 is equal to 3, and 3 times 8 is 24. Now let's divide one digit number by one digit number. Let's say here 8 divided by 2. What I'm gonna do, I have to skip count by 2 until I get to 8. I have 2, 4, 6, 8. How many times I skip counted by 2 to get to 8? We're gonna cross out those numbers and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I skip counted 4 times. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So and 4, or yes, 4 times 2 is 8. The same as 2 times 4. If you switch the factor, the answer will not change. It's gonna be the same. I'm sorry about that. This is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So this is an easy way for us students to find out the quotient of a division fact. Thank you.